Hey guys, this is Liam the Train Fan here, coming at ya. And today, I'll be showing you this cool train set that I got, made by Marklin. As he has this very cool remote, to use it. This turns the lights on and off on the locomotive. Speed increase, speed decrease, direction. This is the locomotive. This is a German Class 74 steam locomotive. Sissy is a very cool looking locomotive. It also has this low side car and the Shell fuel car. It has a fuel car owned by Shell. It's really cool and very bright yellow. So the 260T. 2 means 2 pilot wheels. 6 driving wheels. And the 0 means no trailing wheels. The T is short for tank engine. Tank engine means bleh. The T means that this is a tank engine. And that means there's no tender. It just has these big tanks on the side that carry water. But enough of me talking. I'm just give me a minute to plug in the power pack. And it'll be on the way. Okay. Here it goes. Chugga chugga choo choo. Keep going forwards. Here's the remote. Turns the lights on and off. And I'll leave them on. Here it goes, here they're off. And I just slow it down, hit this. There it is going backwards. There's no sound, but that's okay. Thank you and have a good one.